Okay, so hello everyone, this is Jing Run. Today I'm going to talk about customizing AI chatbots without using any coding skills. So basically what is so powerful about no-code customization is that traditionally, if someone wants to make its own customized large language model, there's a lot of steps that needs to be went through. People will need to develop their programming skills, the ability to design a website, and website logic development and so on to start working on AI applications. However, with ChatGPT and GPTs, everyone can use natural language to provide instruction to ChatGPT and develop personalized GPTs. So can be extremely helpful tools for individuals and small organizations for information retrieval and information summarization without coding skills, which has a lot of potentials in realities. Here, I'm going to demonstrate how to use ChatGPT to customize for a specific use without using any programming skills so that a student can develop their own personal coach for exam preparations. The work start with when you open ChatGPT and click on More, and then you can see the GPTs. When you click into it and click on Create, which is on the top right corner, you are able to create your own GPT. And when you open the configure, there is detail about how to create it. So let's say a student called Evelyn wants to prepare for her exam and wants to use a GPT as her coach. She can just put the name of the GPT here and name it something like exam coach. And then you have a short description about this GPT, such as this is a GPT for Evelyn to prepare for her psychology exam. And then you can just input the instruction, which I would recommend to be as clear prompt as possible. I will use a prompt that I already have over here. I'm just gonna copy paste it into here, which basically saying things that's like your exam coach for a University of Toronto student, which gives the GPT a sense of feeling of knowing what the GPT will need to do. And then provides the instruction about what kind of things the GPT needs to do. For example, explain the psychological concept and definitions for clear and accurate, and distinguish between similar series, concepts, and terminologies. And after that, provides the instruction about how the GPT will needs to approach it. For example, over here, it can says helping students to learn with encouraging reasoning and understand the extent of rote memorizations, using examples and real-world scenarios when appropriate, and provide a goal, like the ultimate goal for the GPT. Like here, the line, your goal is to help the student build confidence, think critically about psychology concepts, and prepare effectively for the success on the exam. We can have a couple of conversation starter. For example, give me a mock exam questions. Tell me some difference between two concepts. Ask me about a course context, and provide a concept that's large likely to be tested in the exam. And it's going to be some quick response, which was shown over here as a preview. And after that, you can upload the knowledge, which is here. Evelyn could upload some knowledge that is needed for the exam. And after that, you can just click on the create to have a GPTs that's been personalized and be very helpful. And when you click on view the GPT, you can start to use it. For example, provide a mock exam question, and then the GPT is going to answer by providing a question, which is going to be highly related with what's being said in the content. So we can try to answer the questions. So basically saying like, I think the multiple choice answer is C. I'm just guessing. It's gonna explain why C is not the best answer, or You can ask the GPT to develop more about the detail of this question. And then it's going to provide a step-by-step introduction about how to deal with this question. Basically, you can see that the innovation is not GPT itself. The innovation is that a student with no programming experience and have very limited time to review for exam is able to have a personalized learning assistant using only course content and natural language instruction. A student can use it for exam preparation or for creating a personalized life coach. A small organization can upload documentations and provide prompts to create an assistant for event planning, checking the status of work, or provide general information that requires fast and 24-hour accessibility. This increase in the efficiency may not increase directly about the productivity of the society as a whole, but they spread like the capillaries throughout the smallest unit of the society, allowing individuals and small organizations to make their lives and works more convenient and effective.